This is live and the aftermath, an early cleanup here. This is near the Citadel Mall. Look at some of that hail. That is all hail that rushed downhill. At times there were 4 and 5 feet of water. All of those cars were floating like boats that had sunk. And my goodness, yeah, you've got a disaster here on your hands in parts of Colorado Springs. Not only the flooding, but we had hail the size of tennis balls all over the city, and tonight the flooding threat ongoing. We just got this into. You want to tell you about a flood warning now. The flash flood warning was for earlier for street and urban flooding. Those waters have receded, as you saw there at the Citadel. This is for Fountain Creek though, and it's running downhill. All the tributaries feeding that. Fountain Creek above flood stage and out of its banks. Stay away from Fountain Creek. The banks along Fountain Creek give away very easily. There's not a lot of support along some of those. Here's the radar. It just sat over top of us. The steering currents for these storms did not push it out. Usually when we get a storm like this, it's gone in a short period of time, and then the air from the south fed it. All that moist, warm air fed this storm. It didn't move, and it kept going and going. Notice, here's Castle Rock, our neighbors to the north. Same thing happening there tonight. 3 to 5 inches of rain in Castle Rock. It's still raining there, and in fact, hail as well. That has just been huge in Castle Rock. The tornado watch continues as well for the northeastern plains until 11 o'clock. Now, some of us didn't deal with this storm, like you in Woodland Park. Some mammatus clouds by the Pikes Peak guy. When you see boiling bottoms of clouds that look like this, there's likely a big storm. And it was pretty, some of the hail. This looks like a flower, but here's the problem with that flower. It's 2 inches in diameter. Susan, thanks for putting that on our Facebook page. Okay. Let's get past this storm. I know tomorrow's going to be the cleanup, but then we have some more strong to severe storms tomorrow afternoon in spots, and another round of those storms will be there. Actually, of course, we have the storms this afternoon, but I'm saying tomorrow afternoon there could be another round, and then it will be very hot this weekend. Here's the risk for tomorrow. Slight risk to the north and east of us, but if you remember the Storm Prediction Center, this was the same bubble we had for today, and then it shifted farther south. I think the Storm Prediction Center is doing a pretty good job here of putting that there. We could still see a strong storm locally tomorrow, just not like today. I don't think the same ingredients and dynamics will be there. So tomorrow, more storms in the afternoon and evening, some gusty winds at times. 84 in Colorado Springs, 80 rather in Colorado Springs, 84 in Denver, 85 for Fort Carson, Pueblo tomorrow at 88 degrees. Want to give you the First Alert 5 7-day forecast. We've got one more day of storms, and then we are warming up a hot weekend to do some yard work, clean up all of those leaves, reattach your gutters, get your car fixed. 90 on Saturday, so a hot Saturday. 81 on Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Some scattered showers and storms, 20% chance those days. Pueblo, 88 on Thursday, 94 on Friday, 97 on Saturday, 89 for Sunday. So Pueblo, you've really got some hot weather on Saturday, some less hot weather Sunday, and some comfortable temperatures for next week. Teller County, some storms, 30% chance on Thursday, Friday 77, 78 on Saturday, 70 on Sunday, and then storm chances Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. For most of us, storms are coming to an end tonight. Still some strong ones around the Raton Mesa, but for Colorado Springs, it's the cleanup, Rob, and what a storm.
Boy, I'll tell you what, it looked like a snowstorm hit that cul-de-sac. Let's check back in with Carolyn Carver live.